So you don't know how to draw a side profile? That's alright, duh. I got you. Take a blank page and I don't know, make outlines like the guidelines. Yeah, make guidelines which are thick, cause thick lines are better than thin lines. Lol. So I stole this method from my queen, Colleen, duh, and you can see what am I doing. You can just copy me cause this is a generic site profile. Mine isn't like Colleen, but it's close maybe, and liquefy the parts which looks ugly. Duh. And this one is only for tracing cause I'm gonna fix it on the second part, like on the second layer. Sorry, my bad. Cause the second layer is coated and you're gonna fix your like mistakes, yeah, like your life. Maybe you can fix your mistakes but you don't know how to, like me. The okay, so if it looks like shit, you can just liquefy it more, cause I don't know, I wish I could use liquefy in my life to fix it though. Anyways, so just use liquefy if it doesn't look right, okay? Or just cry in your basement, right? You gotta make this U shapes below the nose and the down lip, or else you will get a SCP looking like monster, or you will get a SCP monster. I don't know, Loki. It depends. It actually depends on your art style and your OC. I'm not the one to judge. Rather, it's an SCP monster or something else. So this is a generic profile. You can add this thing, but I don't like to add this. And the nose shape, it depends on your OC. You can have this type of nose, like, or this one, or this one. It depends, Loki, what are you drawing or who are you drawing. And the one I showed you is a generic nose. How to draw eyes, you gotta just watch me. You gotta make a Illuminati triangle, lol. And I always like to make a messy eyelash or something, I don't know, but it's like this. Loki, your side profile also depends on your eyes, how you draw eyes. It's only my style, but I don't really like this one, so I'm gonna redraw it. Lol. So like, it's your wish what eyes do you wanna draw, or what your OC shoot, what eyes your OC has. Okay, it's not up to me, but I'm showing you the generic ones or the ones I like. The and Loki, your side eye most. Loki, your how do you draw eyes? It pulls off your character and your side profile. Like, it can make a major change in your side profile, even if it looks bad. It will make it look good in some point, I guess. I don't know. And just play with the tools and you will understand the concept of the drawing app you are using if you are new, okay? And I forgot to add the bald head at the beginning, so I'm adding it now. And I low-key don't know how to draw bald people, so you gotta watch me how I draw. Like, have some thick lines again and erase it. It can be messy. It's alright though. And I also don't know how to draw hair on side profile. So you only have to watch me struggle. It will look like shit, bro. Like, I don't know, Loki, what am I doing with my life? Anyways, if you are watching this from your basement, good luck, bro. If you are not watching this from your basement, bad luck. Hell no, good luck. I guess I don't know what to say. Tatakai. So like, if you want a feminine look, you can just unsharpen it a little bit. Cause male features have more sharp edges or something. And just don't forget the U, or you will get a SCP monster, maybe. I don't know though. That's all, guys. Bye bye. And the rest of the part is me struggling to draw hair. If you wanna see it, just see it, I guess. I don't know, Loki. I don't know how to do an outro yet, but I'm gonna try someday. After I conquered the walls of China, or just conquered the walls of my neighbor. That's all. Bye.